spite of efforts to rewrite the Epworth story, a youth empowerment conference was spewing Epworth in a bid to
DJ
perception and mind change of the youth.
What vision. Teaspoon.
The youth should be empowered.
Speaking during the youth conference, coordinator of the event, Simbarashi Manika, said the conference was meant to empower the youths with life skills.
The first thing that we're trying to do is to create a platform, just a platform for them to express what they can do. That is music, through sport, any area of skills.
Bishop Fukani Ndladla, a life coach, noted that the first step in empowering the youth is working with attitude and perception and re-engineer the mind that it becomes productive.
There is no other way to congregate the youth other than doing what they love the most. They love music. When they come, that's when we begin to teach mind renewal techniques. Because basically what every human being wants is the proper mindset, because the right thinking brings about right believing.
A number of Epworth-based artists entertained the crowd as a way of encouragement and motivation.